So I'm going to walk you through the stages of wealth creation in crypto. A lot of people are kind of confused about how crypto works. So how are these people making so much money? How does this happen? I would like to make an extra $3,000 a month so that I can pay my rent. I would like to make $10,000 a month. People come to me all the time. I want to make $50,000 a month. Here's the stages. First, let's make the first dollar. Okay. It's $0 to $1 because you're not going to make $10,000 a month or $20,000 a month or $50,000 a month until you at least make something, right? You got to learn to become a profitable trader first. So with anything, just like a business, once you figure out your business, once you figure out what works, once you have a product or an idea that's sellable and people want it from you, and you have a good marketing campaign and all of a sudden the money's coming in, then you scale it. You don't worry about making millions of dollars with the business until you first can see if you can even sell your product, right? Same with crypto. When you come into the crypto space and you want to learn how to day trade or trade with leverage like we do at Crypto Renegades, and we can teach you how to do that. First, we want you to become a consistently profitable trader. Our goal is to get you to making $100 per day consistently in the first 30 days. Some of our traders do that in the first couple of weeks. Some people take another 30 days. By the end of your 30 days, you should be consistently making at least $100 a day. Okay. $100 a day. That's no joke. That's still $3,000 a month. By month 2, at the latest, again, some people do this quicker. We want to get you to $200 a day. And then by month 3, $300 a day. Now, some of you are we have members that get to $20,000 a month in their first 30 days. So, there is no one way or another. There's just how quickly you pick things up. Okay. And so with that being said, you can get to almost any amount. There really is no limit. I know guys who trade with $6 million in their account and make $300,000 or $400,000 in a day like it's nothing. These are the same guys that drive around in Ferraris and try to have to pick which car to drive every day. And you heard about these people. You see these people. You just don't understand what they do. This is how they do it. Okay. So don't worry about the 0 to 1 or the 1,000 to 10,000 or the 10,000 to 100,000. You can get there and a lot quicker than you think, but you do have to become a consistently profitable trader first. So what I would recommend you do is get educated, understand that there is no easy button. You know that big easy button that everybody wants to push. They just want to go from $0 to $10,000 a month or $0 to $50,000 a month. Let's just help you make $1,000 first, not per month, but just $1,000. It might happen your first day. It could happen your first week or your first month, but let's get you there first. And then now that you see that, how that works, you can then design in your mind how to scale that to multiple thousands of dollars a week or a month or even a day if you'd like to. All right. So if you want to learn how to do this, click the button below, get registered for our upcoming live event. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you exactly how we do it live, and you'll see how simple it is. All right. Click the button below and I'll see you on the live webinar.